everybody, we're talking about conditions that we treat and why we're so helpful with a lot of different things that maybe a lot of people didn't think chiropractors could help with. So today we're talking about how we help with unsteady hands. Now there's a number of different causes of unsteady hands, and the top two that I want to talk about today are going to be blood sugar regulation. Like I mentioned, not things people necessarily thought chiropractors could help with. And then the second one is going to be nerve inflammation. Let's address nerve inflammation first. All right. If there are the nerves coming off of your neck over here, we're going to say this is your right side. So we're looking at the spine from behind. These nerve roots, particularly in here, down into the ribs a bit, feed down into the arm. And they do this whole mix-up thing over here, and so there's redundancies built in. But we're able to determine very quickly and very directly which nerve roots are the most inflamed. We have a number of tests we can put you through to find that out for you. And so if the nerves are all inflamed over in here, you're going to end up with unsteadiness and trouble using certain motions and not with others. And so when we put you through our exam process, we can suss those out and figure out exactly which ones are the most affected, what area of the neck we really need to focus on in order to get your hands to steady out. Now, the other thing we talked about was blood sugar issues. If you have high stress or you have a lot of tension in your neck and shoulders, which a lot of people do, it affects these nerves right where your neck meets your shoulders. You might know, like everybody's like, oh, I have so much tension over here. It feels so good when someone walks up behind you and digs their thumbs into the top of your shoulders right there. There's a reason why. These spots right here refer right down to your kidneys. There's a nerve that connects it directly, to the glands right above your kidneys that produce stress hormones. And so the higher your stress hormones, your blood sugar is going to go all over the place. So your blood sugar is going to go up, your blood sugar is going to crash. It's going to be all over the place. The more stressed you are, the harder it is to regulate and normalize. So we don't treat the blood sugar problems directly. We co-manage that with other practitioners. What we do is we treat the distress in your spine that's causing all of that stress response. And so when your body's able to regulate better, it's more relaxed, it feels better, the pain is down, the tension is very, very much less, the stress hormone response is going to be less, which means the blood sugar variation is going to be less. It's going to be more stable. And so those are the two main things that will cause shaky hands from what I see. And those are some of the ways that we take care of them. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.